Have you ever looked at an old blurry photo and wished you could see it in full HD? Well, now you can, thanks to AI photo restoration tools that can turn low-quality or damaged pictures into stunning high-resolution images in seconds. Let's explore how this incredible technology works, and the best tools you can use right now. The magic of AI restoration. AI photo enhancement uses deep learning models, trained on millions of faces and images, to predict missing details and rebuild lost pixels. It doesn't just sharpen an image, it reconstructs it. That means wrinkles, eyes, lighting, and even background textures can look naturally improved, without making the image fake or over-edited. It's like time travel for your photos, turning the past into HD reality. Best AI tools for instant results. There are several AI tools that do this instantly. One of the most popular is Remini, available on mobile and web. It restores faces with incredible accuracy. Another great option is HitPaw Photo Enhancer, which can upscale old or pixelated images up to 8K resolution. And if you prefer a free solution, check out Upscale.media or Let's Enhance. Both use advanced AI models to restore details while keeping the original tone and color. Real-world uses. People are using this AI not just for fun, but for history, family, and art restoration. Old family portraits, vintage wedding photos, even black and white film stills, all brought back to life with just one click. Museums and archivists are also using this technology to digitally preserve and enhance historical photos for future generations. So whether you're restoring your grandparents' old photos or just improving a blurry selfie, AI photo restoration gives your memories a new life, instantly and effortlessly. What used to take hours of Photoshop editing can now be done in seconds with a single tap. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.